Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we have really big news. Tesla is finally getting added into the S&P 500. It was snubbed earlier this year, but now it's in. And what does this mean? This is really great news. The stock actually is up over 10%. So you see at market close, it was at 408. And now it's at 465 high. That's like 12-13% gain, which is insane. I don't expect this to hold. Who knows? But what does this mean for the stock? This means that when people are buying these index funds, Tesla will be included on it. I mean, Tesla is already a very well-known brand, but now it will be even more well-known. And financial incentives and price action aside, this is actually really big news because Tesla's success was not a given. If you look at its value over the years, these are the years where a minority of people were very confident in Tesla, and the market as a whole was super skeptical about Tesla. And as they had a right to be, their claims of trying to electrify the whole industry was very bold and ambitious, and there are times where they almost went bankrupt. And Elon Musk, if you don't really know him, if you haven't really dove deep into what he believes in and his true mission, he could seem like a crazy person. So this is not a given story. Tesla being accepted into the S&P 500 is actually the market as a whole accepting them, letting them sit at the table with everybody. Now there's going to continue to be news sources that are pretty bearish on the stock, that say, Tesla can't deliver, generally not very smart people, or I don't know what their motivation is to try to constantly bring Tesla down, but this is a big deal. This is just a testament to how far they've come. Tesla it's officially arrived. As an investor, I mean, you've already been paid off by this recent gain, but I think Tesla is still in its early stages. A lot of its valuation right now is due to people understanding that its future potential value is incredibly high. But this is a very young company compared to any other car company, compared to any other technology company. They are just in its infancy. So I wouldn't be too worried about the price action over the next couple of months. Just get in when you can, because my prediction is it's going to go up in the long term. In the short term, it's hard to say. In the next couple of months, what I can guarantee you is that volatility will be a lot higher. And Tesla isn't actually in the S&P yet. It's actually going to be officially added on December 21st. Now, they just announced it today to give them some time to decide how they're actually going to put Tesla into the S&P 500, because it's just such a big company, and then they need to rebalance it. It's called the S&P 500, so that means there's 500 companies. If Tesla is going in, a company's going out. And Tesla coming in, it's immediately going to be, as of right now, the 10th largest company on the S&P 500. But who knows, by tomorrow afternoon, it could be the 9th or the 8th if its price continues to go up. I don't know how much farther it can go, but if you are playing with options, look into selling covered calls and assuming you have 100 shares, because I think the premiums are going to be very good now, because from now until December, people are going to be super hyper aware of Tesla. There's going to be a lot of buying and selling, especially you can see that it already started after market. So we'll see what happens when retail investors jump in. Yeah, that's it for today. I mean, I'm really excited. I have a decent amount of Tesla shares, so this is a big deal for me. I know a lot of you might think it's too late to get in, but I disagree. I mean, if you're still buying Apple stock now or Microsoft stock, how much room do you think those companies have to grow? It's not the best investment, but those are pretty safe investments, and Apple and Microsoft have been around for decades. They haven't even reached their goals of 1 million cars a year, and that market share would still be pretty small. They just have so much space to grow. They're just getting started. The amount of space they have left, in my opinion, is basically the whole market. So definitely take a closer look at it. This is Green Knight Trading, where Squires become knights. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.